Hi friends, what is a team? A team is a set of different individuals having a different behavior and attitude come along together having a common intention in them. Yes my friends, it is a team. Here the best example I can give you is cricket. Although 11 people have a different behavior, different attitude, but they have a common intention in them. They have a common goal in them. Sometimes they win and sometimes they learn. Yes my friends, similarly while working in an organization, we do number of things and sometimes we learn and sometimes we get succeed while working on them. So today I am going to discuss here some of the topics, some of the points, and I believe it will be helpful. Today's our topic is team sports builds a strong individuals. Yes my friends, in simple words I can tell you is what is the team's building brings out the best in you. Yes my friends, the first point here I'll tell you is understand the differences. While working in a team, you able to understand the difference of other people. Yes my friend, the other people also understand your differences, and in this way the best things come out for the organization. The second thing here I want to tell you is motivation. While working in a team, you get inspired by number of peoples, and number of people get inspired while working with you, because everybody have some of the unique qualities in them, and while working with them will able to understand that qualities, will able to learn from that qualities. Point number 3, handles pressure. While working in a team, will able to understand how difficult the pressure is, but we don't able to feel that thing because we are working as a team. While working in a team, the best benefit is you can directly discuss, you can directly find out the solution, and you can work hard on the best problem. Yes, in this way you can overcome the pressures. The next point here I want to tell you is you get another family. Yes my friends, while working in a team, you are able to understand that the people are dependent on you. If people are working for you or you are working with the team, you should be a best team player, because with your team player you can enjoy your success, you can share your sorrows, and you can party with them, you can share your views with them. All these things helps you to bring out best for you, and it will be beneficial to you. It will bring out the best quality what you have, and it will bring out the best to the organization also. The next point I want to tell you is team building brings out the best in you. It makes you strong and it makes you to live longer, makes you a best team player. Yes my friends, it helps out to makes you strong, means I want to tell here it makes you strong to handle the differences, to handle the stress, and also always inspire others. So my dear friends, I like to conclude over here. I believe this content will be helpful. If you have any feedback, if you have any comments, do let me know. It will help me to improve, it will help me to grow. So all the very best to the winners. Stay blessed, stay happy.